Here we are at Secrets Moxché and Secrets Impressions. This is a brand new resort, really only open for a few weeks. Still working on the final touches, but we are staying here and I can't wait to show you around. This is adults only, all-inclusive. The Moxché is a little bit step above the normal Secrets. Pay a little more attention to the finer details, a little more luxurious, a little bit nicer, different restaurants and menus than you would find at the other Secrets resorts. So it's a great little change and experience for you with some amazing pools, and we will show you around. So here we are on the rooftop, which is a perk of being in the preferred club, is having access to the rooftop pool and the observatory restaurant as well. They have a bar up here and just a very relaxing infinity pool to gaze over. And the preferred club gets their private check-in behind me. Here on the third floor was still another good view of their amazing pool that we'll go take another look at. I just had to show you this view because it's amazing. Here we are at one amazing pool, and part of what makes it amazing is that is actually sand there along the side and at the bottom of this pool, so it's like being in the ocean. You lay down, there's actually some scuba divers there getting some training. Gets shallow, you could lay in the middle. It's just a fantastic place to hang out and enjoy the water, the peacefulness of this resort. This is another fun place. It's called the pool deck. If you're having a wedding or a group, you can have receptions here with tables for food, drinks, dancing and entertainment. And you'll see the building there is actually the Impressions building. The Impressions are much larger rooms, again, higher elevated than Secrets Moxché as far as the services, amenities, a few private restaurants exclusively for Impressions. They have their own rooftop pool as well. And then this is the Secrets Moxché building. Talk about a beautiful place to take some pictures. That would be one of them. As we head to some very unique pools, they have three where they try to simulate cenotes. So let's take a look. We have another one. And our third little cenote. Very unique and pretty as we head to the beach pool. It has a swim-up bar. Like they're playing a little basketball in the water. Also, wonderful place to eat right next door here and overlook the beach. a nice sized beach. Beautiful white sand. Now we're down on the beach. Lovely places just to relax and hear the waves. Got a barrier out there right now to protect the beach from some of the seaweed, to make the beach nicer for its guests. But just a beautiful place here at Secrets Moxché. And impressions. I really love this place, and I think you will love it too. Hope to see you here. And yet another pool to enjoy. Stunning, beautiful. This one's a little more quiet to enjoy. So there's something here for everybody, and something here for you.